this down. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay, so I literally just made the last minute video like 5 seconds ago, and we're here again. We're gonna make homemade s'mores, or in the house made s'mores in the microwave. So what I've learned from the last video is that these expand, so you might want to cut a little bit of it off. Like that. I'm gonna end up reading this out. So then you want to take this, you want to rub it on the marshmallow as good as you can. Alrighty, and when you're done with that, you're going to want to put that on the sink. And then I'm going to put that on there like that. Keep it like that. Put the graham cracker on. And you're going to want to heat this up for 20 seconds. Because the marshmallow will expand while it's in there. And hopefully. Whoa. Still expanding.
I think it fell.
Oh my gosh, okay. Well, still edible. So, now we're gonna take it over here. We're just gonna try to put that on. And you're gonna wanna try to cut off some of this. If not all, some. Because it is going to be very sticky. Now, I want to wait a couple of minutes, or at least 30 seconds to eat these, because they are very, very sticky. And I push it up to like on the edge of your plate, so you can just pick it up when it's ready. So, and we'll be right back when it's ready. Okay. So now that we're back, it's been about, let's say, 30 seconds. So we're going to take it. It's now a lot less sticky than it was earlier because it's got dried, and I'm going to peel it off. Alrighty, taste. That's good.
Get that off your chin. Or whatever, cheek, whatever.
No, I will. Okay, well, but, yeah, that's gonna be it for that video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and have fun. Make sure your parents are watching you do this if you're under the age of 10. Because you probably don't know how to operate a microwave. But if you don't know how to operate a microwave, you know, then that's good. So, yep.
But before the video ends, there's 3 things you have to do. You have to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification.
Hit the bell notification. I'm gonna start uploading more. I swear. Alright guys, peace.